wonderful cat. Whenever he gets in a fix, he reaches into his bag of tricks. Felix the cat, the wonderful, wonderful cat. You laugh so much your sides will ache, your heart will go pit-a-pat. Watching Felix, the wonderful cat.
This is undoubtedly my finest work.
Right, Professor. You was always a good chiseler.
Get out of here!
Professor, Felix is being interviewed.
By the police, I hope.
Nah, he's telling a commentator about Boyd's.
He always was for the birds.
And so, as you can see, I've gathered exotic birds from all over the world.
Well, Felix, I'd like to see some of your special breeds.
Okay, a hi-fi pelican with his favorite record.
Felix the cat, the wonderful, wonderful cat.
Very funny, Felix.
Now here is one of my favorites. Hetty Easter from the Easter Islands. Okay, Hetty. Hetty's Easter egg.
That I like.
Very clever. Have you got something special?
Yes, I have. A jewel bird. Here is a picture of it. Every day it flies out into the dense jungles, finds old palaces and their treasure rooms. It feeds on gems. It's there now.
Gems!
Will I see it?
Here it comes. It always lays 2 eggs.
A day?
More. It makes many trips. 2. A bird in one, gems in the other. This one has the gems. I hope.
I must have that bird. I must. Come, Rock, to the costume room.
What'll I do when we get to Felix's, Professor?
Act like a mother bird, and I'm your baby. Run, run!
Oh, go over by the fire and warm yourself.
This is getting unbearable.
I'm getting warm. Yow!
Yow!
The professor and Rock Bottom. You crooks, get out of here.
Don't open till Christmas.
Don't open till Christmas.
Felix, you're in there because you interfered in our plans.
You're right. You're going to take away my bird experiment laboratory. Let me out of here.
Felix, all I'm taking from you is the jewel bird that lays gem-loaded eggs.
It's not here. It's out in the jungle.
Get rid of him, Rock. We've things to do.
On your way. Who'd want them queer boys?
This is the one I want. The jewel bird. It finds treasure rooms in old palaces and feeds on gems.
What's that? Who's there? My red-headed woodpecker.
Why doesn't the jewel bird return?
Keep it up.
Ah, here it comes. it's laying 2 eggs. But it's not going to get out on another trip. Not yet. Ready, Rock? Hold it, Rock. Good. 2 eggs. We'll try this one. Marvelous, marvelous. But this way is too slow. There is a faster way. Bring the bird, Rock, and we'll get all the gems.
Now to catch those crooks. We're catching up, Pelly.
The jewel bird has landed.
Wow, look at them gems. Help! Help!
Quicksand! Quicksand!
Help! 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 Quicksand!
Help! Help!
I'll save you.
It's broken.
Nope. It's my supersonic eagle whistle. And look,
Oh no, no!
take them to the sheriff. Well, business